Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, can I ask you something?
Sure.
What do you do when you're stressed?
Eat.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow, that was a short conversation.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
We're not finished yet.
Okay, then my second answer is sleep.
Of course it is.
Food and sleep solve many problems.
Not all problems.
Most problems.
I don't think that's true.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I usually go for a walk.
Really?
Yes,
When I'm stressed, walking is the last thing I want to do.
that's because you're lazy.
That's a strong word.
An accurate word.
Ha, fair enough.
What usually makes you stressed?
Work? Too many messages? Too many things to do?
I understand that.
What about you?
Pretty much the same.
Sometimes I look at my phone and immediately feel stressed.
Really?
20 unread messages,
Oh, wow.
5 missed calls,
That's a lot.
and somehow everything is urgent.
I know exactly what you mean.
Do you ever lose things when you're stressed?
All the time.
Really?
Yes.
Last week, I couldn't find my phone.
What happened?
I spent 10 minutes looking for it.
And?
I was holding it.
No way.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Don't laugh,
I'm trying.
but it's difficult.
What about you?
I once spent 15 minutes looking for my glasses.
Where were they?
On my head.
That's even worse.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
You're welcome.
You know what's funny?
What?
When I'm relaxed, I remember everything.
And when you're stressed?
I forget my own name.
That's a little dramatic.
Only a little?
Do you think people are more stressed now than before?
Definitely.
Why?
Because we're always connected.
That's true.
Messages, emails, phone calls.
Notifications. Sometimes it feels endless.
Exactly.
Do you know what helps me?
What?
Talking to friends.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I just need someone to listen.
I like that.
What about you?
I usually call my family.
That's nice.
My family always makes me feel better.
Do they solve the problem?
Not always.
Then why does it help?
Because they listen.
That's important.
Very important.
Sometimes people don't need solutions.
They just need support.
Exactly.
Wow, we're sounding very wise today.
Don't get used to it.
Ha, good advice.
So your stress plan is food, sleep, and family?
That's actually a pretty good plan.
I can't argue with that.
See, we're agreeing already.
Let's enjoy this moment.
It may not happen again.
So tell me about the most stressful day you've had recently.
Oh, that's easy.
Really?
Last month,
What happened?
I overslept.
Oh, no.
My alarm didn't wake me up.
That's terrible.
I woke up and looked at the clock.
And?
My heart nearly stopped.
That's never a good sign.
I jumped out of bed immediately.
Did you make it to work on time?
Not exactly.
How late were you?
Let's not talk about that.
That bad?
That bad.
What did you do?
I ran around the house looking for everything.
Your phone?
Yes.
Your wallet?
Yes.
Your keys?
Yes.
Did you find them?
Eventually.
Where were they?
Exactly where I left them.
That's funny.
Stress makes me forget everything.
I understand.
What about you?
I once had a very stressful travel day.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
I thought I lost my passport.
No way.
Yes.
That's a nightmare.
I checked my bag 5 times.
And?
It was there the whole time.
Ha, that's classic.
I know.
How did you miss it?
Because I was stressed.
That makes sense.
Have you ever sent a message to the wrong person?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh, wow. Tell me.
I meant to send a message to my friend.
And?
I sent it to my boss.
Seriously?
Seriously.
What did the message say?
I'd rather not repeat it.
It was that bad?
Let's just say it was embarrassing.
What did your boss say?
He replied with a smiley face.
That's actually nice.
I was still stressed for the rest of the day.
I would be too.
Do you know what helps when I'm stressed?
What?
Music.
Really?
Yes,
What kind of music?
anything relaxing.
That's interesting.
What about you?
I like going outside.
For a walk again?
Of course.
You really love walking.
And you really love food.
Fair point.
Do you think stress is always bad?
Not always.
Really?
Sometimes stress helps me work harder.
That's true.
But too much stress isn't good.
I agree.
Everything needs balance.
That's a good lesson.
Thank you. I learned it the hard way.
How?
Too much work, not enough rest.
That sounds familiar.
I think many people feel the same.
Especially these days.
Exactly.
That's why weekends are important.
I completely agree.
A little rest can make a big difference.
And maybe a little pizza, too.
There it is.
I was waiting for the right moment.
You always find a way to talk about food.
It's a gift,
A very strange gift.
but a useful one.
Maybe. You know what?
What?
This topic reminds me of school.
Really?
Yes, I used to get stressed before every exam,
Me too.
even when I studied.
Exactly.
Did you study a lot?
The night before.
Dave,
What?
that's not studying.
It worked sometimes.
Sometimes?
Okay, not very often.
At least you're honest.
Were you a good student?
I tried to be,
That's a very careful answer.
because my teachers might be watching.
Good point.
What made you stressed as a child?
Speaking in front of the class.
Really?
Absolutely.
I can understand that.
My hands would shake.
Oh, wow.
And suddenly, I would forget everything.
That's very common.
What about you?
Math.
Math?
Math stressed me out.
No way.
Yes,
I thought you liked everything.
definitely not math.
That's funny.
My dad used to help me with homework.
Really?
Yes.
Was he patient?
At first.
What happened?
After the third mistake, not so much.
That's hilarious.
What about your family?
My mom always told me to stay calm.
Did it help?
Sometimes.
What did she say?
She always said, one problem at a time.
That's good advice.
I still remember it today.
Parents often give the best advice.
You're right.
Do you think you're better at handling stress now?
Definitely.
Really?
When I was younger, every problem felt huge.
I understand.
Now I realize most problems pass.
That's true.
What about you?
I think I've improved too.
How?
I don't panic as quickly.
That's a good skill.
Experience helps.
It really does.
Sometimes we survive difficult days and learn from them.
Exactly.
Then the next challenge feels easier.
You know what stresses me now?
What?
When my phone battery reaches 1%.
That's not a real emergency.
It feels like one.
You're impossible.
Thank you.
That wasn't a compliment.
I know.
Do you think social media causes stress?
Sometimes.
Why?
People compare themselves to others.
That's true.
Everyone looks perfect online.
But real life isn't perfect.
Exactly.
That's an important thing to remember.
Very important.
Nobody has a perfect life,
Everyone has challenges.
even if we can't see them.
You're right.
So maybe we should be kinder to ourselves.
I completely agree.
Wow, this became a serious conversation.
Don't worry. I can fix that.
How?
Pizza.
Of course.
Some things never change.
And that's probably a good thing.
I think so too.
You know, this has been an interesting conversation.
It really has.
We started by talking about stress.
And somehow we ended up talking about pizza again.
I'm not surprised.
Neither am I.
So let me ask you one final question.
Okay.
What's the best way to deal with stress?
For me,
Yes.
slow down.
That's good advice.
When I'm stressed, I usually try to do everything at once.
Me too.
And that only makes things worse.
Exactly.
So now I try to focus on one thing at a time.
I like that.
What about you?
I try to remind myself that not every problem is an emergency.
That's smart.
Sometimes we worry too much,
Very true.
especially about things we can't control.
I used to do that all the time.
Really?
Yes, I would spend hours worrying.
Did it help?
Not once.
That's usually how it works.
I know.
You know what helps me?
What?
Taking a short break.
Really?
Even 10 minutes can help.
That makes sense.
A walk, a cup of coffee, a chat with a friend.
I like the coffee idea.
Of course you do.
It's a great idea.
Do you think people should talk more about stress?
Definitely.
Why?
Because everyone experiences it.
That's true,
Sometimes people think they're the only ones struggling.
but they're not.
Not at all.
We all have difficult days.
Even the happy people.
Exactly.
That's actually comforting.
I think so too.
You know what's funny?
What?
When I was younger, I thought adults never felt stressed.
Me too.
Now I know the truth.
What's the truth?
Adults are just trying their best.
That's very true.
Nobody has everything figured out.
And that's okay.
Exactly.
So, what's today's lesson?
Stress is normal.
I agree.
And asking for help is okay.
Absolutely.
Taking a break is okay.
Yes.
And eating pizza
Dave.
is sometimes okay.
That's better.
I tried.
You did.
So if you're feeling stressed today,
Be kind to yourself.
talk to a friend.
Spend time with family.
Get some rest.
Go for a walk.
Or eat a small piece of pizza.
A small piece.
Very important detail. Well, this was fun.
It really was.
And hopefully a little helpful too.
I hope so.
And now I feel less stressed.
Me too.
Maybe talking really does help.
I think it does.
Well, thank you for the conversation.
Thank you too.
And thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.